So one of the things that you can actually do in Strikingly blogs is you can go ahead and manage out everything in Batch as well. So to go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and click on Manage Blog Post right here. And then what you can do is over here on the top right hand side, you can see Batch Manage as an option. Go ahead and click, and then you have an option to select out multiple blog posts right here as you want. So now you can go ahead and, let's say for example, select out all of the drafts right here, just like this, and publish it out all together, as you can see right here. So everything gets published now. You can go ahead and select out multiple blogs now and unpublish out together as well, just like this. So you can select multiple blogs, copy it out to another site as you want as well, as you want. So apart from that, you can also go ahead and select out multiple blogs. And if you don't want them, you can delete it. But remember, when deleting it, there is no way to recover in Strikingly as of now. So if I were to go ahead and click on OK, then the blog post will be deleted, and this is what you have right here. So that is basically how you can go ahead and batch manage out blog posts that you have inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.